everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to get one of the best builds out there. In this video I will also show you how to fix buffering on this build, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. The first thing to do when you launch your code is to go to the settings icon. So once you get here, scroll down and click on the system. Once you click on the system, it takes you here. So once you get here, click on add-ons. Once you click on add-ons, you click on unknown sources, and then once you click on it, this comes out. You have to click on yes to enable it, so that it will allow you to have this build on your device, because this build is a third-party build. I know what it means for a build to be third-party. So click yes. Then on your remote, click the back button. Once you get here, click on File Manager, and then click on Add Source, and then click on None, and then ensure you put this code, this URL exactly the way it is. Cross-check, double-check it to make sure there's no error. After that, you can click OK. So this is the URL, https tiny URL. There are two URL though, but this one is more easy. So we're gonna put this URL.com/diggz123. The other URL is diggz1.repo, diggz1.me/repo, diggz1.me/repo. Let's use this one. So once you click OK, it answers the name by default. Click OK. Then click on the back button on your remote once. Click on it again. It brings you here. So click on add-ons. Scroll down and click on install from zip file. Then click on the name you saved the media file with. In my own case, I allowed the default name, which is diggz123. Click OK. Then click this OK. And then you have to wait for the zip file to finish installation. As you can see from the screen, it's done. Then click on install from the repository. Then here click on DIGGZ repository. And then at this point, it depends on what you want to install. For this video, we are going for builds. If you want to go for add-ons, you can click on the video add-ons. You can have the add-ons. But since we are going for add-ons, we are going for build. So we are going to click on program add-ons. Then once you click on it, you will see this. At this point, these are installable wizards within this file. So in this case, we are going for chef wizard. So click on chef wizard and then click install. So you have to wait for it to, once you click on it, click OK. Then you have to wait for it to initiate the installation, and after which we proceed to the next level. Please, if you are new to this channel, you know how we do it. Subscribe, share this video with your friends. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And then stick around, and don't forget to use a VPN while accessing contents like this. A VPN is very important. So if you look at your screen, you realize that I already installed the Chef Wizard. Then click on it to open, then scroll down and click on open. Once you click on open, it will bring you the menu. So this is the Chef Wizard main menu, right? You will see build menu, maintenance, authorized debit, tracked, notification, videos, and all that. So let's explore each of these menus to see what is how to offer. So settings, you have this is settings. Okay, this is settings. Now you go back and videos, then notification. That's notification. And then from here, if you wanna authorize debris or whatever, you can do it here. But since we are not doing that, we have to go back. And then maintenance. This is where you check the package. You have to clear the package of this wizard. Close, speed test, edit whitelist, advanced settings, Kodi 20, version 21. So we'll go back. So since we are installing build. So you have to click on build menu. And then here you're gonna see the list of builds within this build, right? So these are the builds you find here. You find the Diggz AIO free or debrid, Diggz AIO free or debrid version server 2. You also have the DMO simple actuary. You also have the DMO actuary server 2, mix build version 1.6, mix build server 2 1.62, CJ CGMEC version 7.1, CGMEC server 2 version 7.1. These are the builds you find within this build, within this wizard. So for the sake of this video, we are going for the second one, which is this AIO free or debris server 2, right? Which is still version 2. So we click on it. So once you click on it, you will get the notification. Once you have this notification, click continue, and then it will start installate. It will initiate it. So as you can see, it's a kind of not so lightweight build, right? So it's kind of 191 build. So you have to wait for it to finish the installation. Then that's it. So once it's done, it will first close. It will give us a notification to first close. So we are waiting for it to finish. So subscribe if you're new to this channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So it's going. So as you can see, guys, it's already done. So at this point, we have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, everything's done. So subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Once you follow the steps I did in this video, you have this video on your device. Let me see you guys in the next one. Thank you and subscribe.